My name is Ron Willemoes. Welcome to this video on how to do simple page tracking with Sitecore CDP. As you may have seen in the last video, a simple script is enough to create the connection between your site and Sitecore CDP. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to start there. To enable tracking of pages, we can simply add the script to what we already inject on the page using Goggle Tag Manager. Or if you don't use Goggle Tag Manager, you can simply add the script manually to the pages. So let's go to the documentation to see what Sitecore has written about the sending view events. So in here there's a good example. We're simply going to grab this one to make it very simple. Open up our notepad, paste the snippet, and then do a little modification here. First of all, we want to make sure that we're hitting the right POS. So we're going to grab the one we have built from our US site. We are also going to make sure that we we get the browser ID dynamically, and we can get that using boxever get ID. And finally, we want to make it a little more dynamic and use just a simple JavaScript to get the page we're currently on. Finally, we can actually add a little more to it, so we also handle if we use any UTM parameters from marketing campaigns, stuff like that. But let's simply jump into Goggle Tag Manager and add a little script containing this as well. So in our Goggle Tag Manager, the script will actually look a little different. So we're going to add it down here. And as you can see, it's a simple push defining the view event, and then just call the JavaScript function on boxever saying event create. That's basically it. So let's just try to save it and publish it. So let's go to website to check if the script is published and everything is working as it should. So put on the developer console. There we go. Just do a simple refresh, and being on the network tab, browsing all, and simply in here filter on boxever, you'll see there's a request create JSON, which includes our dynamically page URL from JavaScript, have the POS we put in, and everything seems to be great. Let's jump to another page and simply check the same. There we go. So let's grab the browser ID. Look at our guests we have in here and see if we can look it up and see if it's all registered in here. Here we go. 3 minutes ago. Let's see the timeline, and let's see some session details. And there we go. You can see the testing page and the services page. So it's really that simple, just to add simple page events from visitors on your website to Sitecore CDP. Thank you for watching.